Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm playing Universe SANDBOX 2. And I want to make the inner planets, like the rocky planets, turn into gas giants, and then the gas giants turn into rocky planets. And to prevent the new gas giants from burning up, I will have to switch them around so they don't burn up. And I will unpause it once I'm done, because if I unpause it and Jupiter's like right here and I haven't changed it yet, then it's gonna burn up and lose all its materials. Now I'm gonna wait. This one's name is Chicago. So now I'm gonna replace the gas giants with the rocky planets. So now I'm done with that. So now I'm gonna start turning these into the rocky planets, then these into gas giants. So with Jupiter, it's basically all gas. So we're gonna have to remove some of that gas. Actually, all of it. It looks like this now. How big is it compared to Mercury? Oh, that's still huge. Still way smaller than Jupiter. So I guess this is the new Jupiter now. Mercury doesn't really have an atmosphere. It doesn't at all, basically. So I'm not gonna give it an atmosphere. Now Saturn, we're gonna do the same. How big is this compared to Venus? Still big. This one might actually be bigger. I don't know if it's bigger. There's Pluto here, but does it have Planet 9? No. If it did, then I would swap Pluto with Planet 9. And Venus has a thick atmosphere. So I'm gonna give it a thick atmosphere. Like 10 Earth atmospheres. Actually, I'm gonna go to Venus. So it's just one. Wait, no, that's that. 93.2. .3. And the density is 43.7. Oh, 93.2. But then that changes this. I'm just keeping it like this. Now time for Uranus. That sounded wrong. Well, time to convert Uranus into a rocky planet. It still just feels wrong. Why did they name it that? Looks like Mars. Yeah, these ones are gonna be big. The rocky planets, the new rocky planets, they're gonna be big. Well, I can't give it water. Okay. Now Neptune. No, that's 211 Isolde, not Neptune. One Mars atmosphere, not Q. One. And I guess I'm done with the inner planets. Now, time to do the inner planets again. These are the outer planets. So Jupiter had like that much gas. Jupiter is still a lot bigger. I'm gonna give it Jupiter's rings. Saturn clouds. But that's too much. Well, not too much, but too thin. Or too outer. I guess 2 moons. 1.5. Point. Because one half of Earth, I think this would either be thin. I'm gonna do more than half. 3/4. Yeah, maybe I'm just gonna not give them rings. But I will have to give Venus rings. Because it's gonna be the Saturn. Why does it do this? Okay, so I'm gonna give it some gas. Saturn had a little bit less gas. I don't want it to burn. I'm just gonna put it at 0. Not that. think Venus is actually a lot bigger. Like, I know Venus is obviously bigger than Mercury, but now I think the proportions are just like Venus is just bigger, like more bigger than. Okay, I make no sense. But I have to give Venus Saturn rings. 1.5, a 0.75. Wonder why the ring doesn't appear. Now, time to turn Earth into a gas giant. Oh, I unpaused it on accident. I don't know if that did anything. Okay, so Uranus had a lot of water, some gas, like something like this. Okay, I think this is good, but if we are gonna turn Earth into Uranus, where's the axis? I think that's what it's called, like the top and the bottom, like how it's tilted. ,90-degree angle, kind of. It's not perfect. So it's on its side. Also, when I'm done with these, I'm gonna change the colors of these so they look a bit more like their present selves. Instead of just gas. Like they would look like what they look like today, but in the style of gas giants. So Mars, oh Neptune, also had a lot of water. Oh, there they are. Oh no, what's happening? I'm just gonna remove these. Actually, it looks too big. They are too big. That one can't hide. What happened to Mercury? Yeah, the rings kind of messed up. I don't think I'm gonna be able to delete all of them. Maybe I can give some oceans? Nope. I thought this one was. I thought Saturn was Eris for a second. Okay, now it's going crazy. So I guess we're done, but we still have to change the colors of the gas giants. And I still don't know why Venus is doing that. So Mercury is basically just one color, gray, but I will add some different colors. So it looks a little more unique. Yeah, this already looks enough like Venus. Now Earth might be the tricky one. It's blue and green. Like, I'm gonna make it a blue that turns into a green, so it doesn't look as bad. Then this one's just gonna be blue. I guess it sorta looks like Earth. Now the Mars gas giant does pretty much look the same, but it needs some polar ice caps. These ones are smaller, so I'm gonna add more bands so it makes them smaller. I'm gonna make this band darker, so it's like that big canyon that's on Mars. It's the biggest in the solar system. Has the biggest canyon and the biggest mountain in the solar system. Okay, I guess I'm done. I'm gonna save it. SS, which means solar system, but rocky planets and gas giants switch places. Save. What if I switched the moon and the sun? I put the moon in the middle, then just made it big. And then I made the sun orbit the earth. Um, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. And this video felt like it's a lot longer than it actually is. It's almost 30 minutes long and felt like an hour. But make sure to like and subscribe for more Universe Sandbox 2 videos. Bye.